Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Are you looking for some adorable planters to liven up your plants? Look no further.
Oh my gosh, they are so cute. Look at these little planters. Look at his little legs hanging off the edge. That's my favorite part of this whole thing. These are amazing. They have definitely brought a little love, a little laughter, and a little light to my plants. They were super easy to use. They came packaged very cute in these little boxes, and they have names. Everything about this is just going to bring joy to your life. I love the material that they're made out of. They're going to be durable. We have a crazy life with kids and pets, and I'm not going to worry about these things breaking because of the material that they're made out of. They are the perfect size to transplant any little plant that you have that's growing too big for his pot. This will give them a little extra room and some space to grow. It was super easy to transfer and super easy to clean up. They're left no marks, no dirt stains or anything like that, so I like that about them too. They look super cute sitting here on my windowsill where they get enough light and they just liven up my whole kitchen and dining room area.
So these planters are perfect. They're adorable, they're durable, and they're gonna liven up any room that they're in. But that's just my point of view.